got to move down pretty significantly. Okay. Just getting started looking at my charts. Mind you, this market has maximum. I'm talking maximum 1 hour for me today. So we need ourselves a 1 hour workday. Start to finish 1 hour workday. 1 hour workday and we'll be good. We need it, Tyler. Hey, congrats on your payout, Tyler. More and more Team Bowl students getting paid out. That's the way. I like it. That's the way. Jdunsky likes it. Do I think it'll be low volume today due to the holiday, Veterans Day? I don't think so. It's possible, but that's what all traders say. Only 1 hour, 2 hours later. I mean, that's not no. Success. All right, let's see here. November 10th. Resend it. What's your take on news for today? I'm not sure. What do we got cooking for news? Veterans Day. That's about it. We have a Fed speaker at 10:25. Banking holiday. What do I think? I think that I'm going to trade my setups, and if they get hit, if my system fires, I'll take the trade. If not, then I won't. Don't have to be at school soon. I do. Yeah, I actually just turned 7. Can't say it in the live. I just turned 18. I'm the best 18-year-old trader on social media. Yeah, T. That's me. That's me, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah. 17. That's me. I've been trading for 8 years, or 9 years. So I started when I was, what, 8? Go Big Red. So pretty simple game plan for me today, guys. What's up, everybody? We may have some support down here at yesterday's low. We had that aggressive candle. So I'll look for a higher low again from the larger time frames, like we spoke about yesterday. Potentially down to like 25,400. That'd be a nice higher low spot within this candle. Where you can also watch for a breakout of this This previous day high and this wick high here, like 7, basically 800, call it. Little below 800. Markets do not close early today. Oh, I forgot to turn the screen share on. Whoops. It's not just you. It's me. It's not you. It's me. So my game plan pretty much every day as I look for macro levels, you know, I can see pretty clearly that we have some resistance here at the 750, 800. If we break through this on the macro, then we look for a setup and an entry intraday on the 5-minute. That's routine. I'd like to see us target this 875 up to like 26,000 area. We're on the brink of breaking out of this downtrend as well. So we'll see if we get the reject of this downtrend or if we can end up moving up and having a nice push to the upside. There is screen share. You're not scared trading on a bank holiday? All right, there's a deeper issue to that question. I'm not scared trading ever because my risk is always managed. If you're trading scared, it means you're scared to lose. I'm never scared to lose. If I see a setup I like, I take it, I manage my risk, and if I lose, boo-hoo. If I lose twice in a row, boo-hoo, I'll be done for the day. Right? That's how you got to think of trading. It's not come in and be scared to lose. It's come in and execute your system. That's what matters. I'm never scared to trade. What would scare me is if I started not following my rules. You know what I am scared of is my flight being delayed to New York today. That's what I am scared of. I hate waiting in airports. Not a fan of waiting in airports. So, discipline over dopamine. Yup. I am going to meet Einstein. Yup, Atomic. Yes, sir. Yeah, right. PJ. Maybe next time. We thought about it. I mean, it's a tax write-off, so... We genuinely were looking at PJs, but I wanted to make a whole vlog and whole deal out of it with all my people, but it's fine. I mean, I'm first class on, what is it, Delta or some shit? Maybe, oh, United. It's United. So we're chilling. And honestly, I don't even say that. Whenever I say I'm flying first class, it's literally not to flex. You guys realize I'm 6'7", right? I don't have a choice but to sit first class, bro. I had no choice but to get money. You put my 6'7" daddy long legs ass up in a commercial economy seat, I am cooked. Completely cooked. Not happening. Big guy. Oh yeah, so we didn't have a choice, bro. And so is the person in front of me jamming my knees into their seat. I am bringing the puffer. Yep. Actually, I wasn't going to then. Gene called me, and he's like, bro, you got to bring the puffer. It's cold as shit in New York. And I was like, really? And he was like, yeah, bro. So I'm bringing the puffer. What an anticlimactic story that was. Called me, he's like, bring the puffer. So I said, okay, I'll bring the puffer. And that was it. That was the story. All wound it up like it was going to be so special. Literally no story. What are you doing, Jdun? I just started drinking my coffee. Leave me alone. Let a man be. Is it snowing? And that's how it went down. Flurries possible. We still haven't had snow in Colorado yet. We still haven't had snow here yet, so. You got 7 minutes to open, y'all. As a reminder, I only have an hour today, and that's like max. I know I say that sometimes, then I'll stay for like 3 hours because I love y'all. But today I really only have an hour. Dry and cold in Arkansas. People live in Arkansas? I'm from Nebraska. I got no room to talk. Like, wait. There's living human beings in Arkansas? People say the same shit about Nebraska. There I go. See, you grew up shucking corn. I'm like, no, but I did almost detassel one year. And if you know what detasseling is, that sucks. Does anyone know here what detasseling is? Anyone from the Midwest know about that detasseling grind with the cornfields? Big here in India. Oh yeah. Iowa knows. Iowa in the house knows. All y'all West and East Coasters wouldn't have a clue. Respectfully. Oh yeah. Where's all my Midwest folks at? Where's my Indianas and my Iowas and my Wyomings and my Nebraskas and my Oklahomas? Where y'all at? Where my Midwest folks at? Midwest gang's got to stick together. Corn fed, baby. Raised on hard work and grind. Oh, Missouri. And Kansas. How could I forget Missouri and Kansas? I grew up going to Missouri and Kansas a lot. I used to go to Worlds of Fun all the time. Worlds of Fun, Oceans of Fun. I spent a lot of time in Branson, Missouri too. It's where I learned how to juggle. If you didn't know, I'm a very, very good juggler. It's one of the most random skills that I have. Like extremely unreasonably good. I learned when I was like 7 years old. I was walking downtown in Branson, and this guy in this magic shop was like, I peeked my head and he's like, "Hey kid, you want to learn how to juggle?" And I was like, okay, we can do that. Kind of weird, like some free candy situation type deal, but whatever. He was cool. I can do 3 off the walls, off the floor, behind the back, under the legs. I can do 4, but I can't do any tricks with them. Let's see if I have some oranges. Sorry, did somebody need something? We're just here chilling. vibing. Oh yeah, a little back and forth deal there. Throw it up high. Throw it low. We'll do some tricks sometime. We'll put the camera up and we'll just start ripping some tricks. Free candy type of deal. I mean, honestly, this 7-8-year-old kid pokes her head in and bro's like, "You want to learn how to juggle? Want to come in?" I'm like, "Yeah." Probably not the best idea. We got 1 hour, guys. Y'all are absurd. Y'all are absurd. Y'all are absurd. Yeah, Brandon was using the Zoom, and the other one wasn't signed in. I had to like update the card or something, and Gene was using the stage, so I just got cooked. We'll have double mindset Monday next week. We got 2 minutes, y'all. Let's lock in. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Choose discipline over dopamine today. Choose positivity, choose focus, and choose systematic plan following, plan trading in every trade that you take. Where's the T-Mobile office located? It's in Littleton area. Yeah, let's get it, bro. What you watching today, Grizzly Glock?
I'm gonna watch it bounce around that starting around like 25, 492.
492. I like it.
I'm just gonna watch price action.
Grizzly, when you coming to trade with me at the T-Mobile office, bro?
I need to come, man.
It's getting some serious upgrades. So I hired an interior designer. I haven't really spoke on this. And we've been like, this week we upgraded all the seats so they're a lot comfier. We upgraded the reception room. It's, dude, 2026, it's going to be so fire. We're adding in more seats because we're filling up every time. And the more we start, like, I guess give people advance to come, like, I'm going to need a 100-person auditorium. Going to be ripping shorts with like 100 people in front of me. I actually really enjoy trading live in person with everybody. It's a lot of fun. It's different. It's something that really like nobody does.
First time I went, had a drawdown on over.
I mean, it's definitely nerve-wracking. I know, it's definitely a little scary, but it's all right. I enjoy the trading live in person.
You're better at multitasking than I am. I cannot multitask well at all.
You know, it's funny. I am decent at multitasking, and it's ironic because I will be the first one to tell you that I think multitasking is a scam. Like one of my favorite books I've ever read is The One Thing by Gary Keller. He's the founder of Keller Williams, and he speaks on how people glorify multitasking, get everything done. And it's like, you should actually be focused on getting one thing done very well at a time and then moving on to the next. It's the same deal as trading, right? If you're trying to take 10 trades at a time, they're probably all going to go against you, or you're not going to manage all of them well. But if you focus on one good trade at a time and really good management and really precise execution on that trade, you're likely going to have a lot better execution and do better on that trade. So I look at it as like, you know, sometimes you have to multitask in a sense, but I prefer to focus on doing one thing very well at a time and moving on to the next one thing afterwards. As a reminder, guys, I will be gone tomorrow. I will not be doing any sort of trading tomorrow. I'll be getting insider tips from the market makers at Wall Street. I mean, I won't actually be doing that, but I will be gone tomorrow in New York. In New York. I'm curious if I had a spontaneous, low-key team bowl meetup in New York. Who's all showing up this weekend? Who's in the New York area and would pop up? Who's all popping up on in New York? I knew there'd be some of y'all that would come. I bet we could throw together like a 50, 100 person meetup in a day. Pretty easy. Pretty easily. Bullish, up, bearish, down. Artist, hey bro. I recommend Tradeovate as a beginner. Tradeovate's a good futures trading platform. I can't answer every question in chat, but I sure do my best to help you guys every day. Especially when our trading hours start heating up. When will I be back trading again? I mean, I actually decided I'll be on the free live. I'll be on Team Bolt Thursday and Friday, of course, inside the Zoom. But I'm gonna be on the free lives as well. They'll just be on my phone. They'll be vertical lives. So don't worry if you were worried about trading on your own on Thursday and Friday. I'll still be there to scream discipline over dopamine at you. It just won't be on this really nice setup. I'll be back on this setup starting next Monday. All right, guys, let's wait to see what they give us today. Let's go ahead and mark out our levels as well. I forgot to do that. Let's see, pre-market low. Let's coat that blue. Let's put SPY up here. Extended trading hours, 5-minute chart, because the 1 minute has too much noise. There we go. You know, honestly, I don't know. Whenever I only have an hour on days like today, we have to get a really nice, clear setup. Otherwise, I just don't trade. We've been killing it, too, these last few weeks. Yeah, your trading is really heated up, Grizzly. You've been killing it, bro. Market wasn't making sense for a little bit.
Just had to settle down from the new president. To be expected, I guess. I would say the same thing will happen with the next one. We'll have a little crazy market in the beginning. Oh yeah, I did sell some covered calls on my open shares for those still holding them.
Some covered calls.
Covered calls.
You stay selling options. You do that pretty often. Hey, Nikita, are you the one that GD spoke with the restaurant?
Huh?
I was talking to a guy in the chat. Nikita Trades.
smaller account now.
You got what?
I've got a smaller account I use to like sell options on and do some leaps and stuff, but it's up 5 and 15% this year.
Damn. I do look at macro. I look at macro levels for sure. But for entries, I primarily only use intraday time frame. I'm also watching this Tesla AMD per usual. My usual babies, the usual suspects. Also got the usual suspects on watch as well with Tesla and AMD and maybe NVIDIA. Let's see. I do have SPY up on the screen as well. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you guys are looking to get funded and get paid out with these prop firms, I will do everything I can every day of my life trading with y'all to help you trade with DOD, discipline over dopamine, help you trade smart, trade safe, and keep a positive and forward-looking mindset and progress in your trading. I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. It means the world to me. I will always do my best to get back to y'all, give you guys the best trades and the best education that I can. If you guys are tired of Top Step breaking down, I recommend you check out two prop firms. Alpha Futures and Funded Next are both similar to Top Step, but in my opinion, way better. In my opinion, much better. So check out, I'll post the link here. Funded Next is 10% off, I believe, right now with code Jdun. I like the legacy accounts. Get funded with Funded Next, the new. Okay, counts. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. Maybe we won't get a 100-point orb range today. Let's see what else we get, my friends. Yeah, Christina be banging the elite trading floor. Don't get it twisted.
What's going on the elite floor?
She just balls out. She kills it. That's what she does. Wakes up every day and just chooses greatness. Chooses greatness each and every day. Yo, as a reminder, TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. If you want full screen share, check out the YouTube, Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on YouTube. If you want to see full screen share. Also, guys, how do we got over 600 people in here? Over 600 people and only 90 likes. Let's get that up to 150, guys. Come on. Hit that like button if you're rocking with DOD. If you're looking to have a green day, rocking with DOD, and choosing discipline over dopamine, hit that like button, baby. Let's get it. Were we buffering? Oh, we were buffering for a second. Get enough likes, I'll juggle for you again. It is Veterans Day, so shout out to our veterans here in the United States of America. Appreciate your service. Appreciate your sacrifice. Appreciate all of you that have served this wonderful, beautiful country. Woody Wood, I still got the flag you got me. I still got the flag you got me. And that note up on my deal. Super dope. I still got it. It made the backdrop. I was very, very thankful for that. Very, very, very thankful. Very thoughtful. Very cool. All right, let's see here. We got our 15-minute range is almost in. As a reminder, I got 45 more minutes. We got 45 more minutes to complete the objective. 45 more minutes to find ourselves 30, 40 points on NQ. $30, 40 minutes. This guy never gives us the spill, bro. Chat, do I give y'all the spill? Do I give y'all the spill of what trades to take? Do we make money here or no? Come on. We make money on this side, baby. Maybe on the other side, they gamble and they do dumb stuff, but not over here. We do this. Been asking what platform. Tradeovate. If you're trading futures, use Tradeovate. Made 12K off that heater Grizz called yesterday. He killed that. All right, we have our 15-minute range in, guys. Pretty tight range so far. Not a lot of trend, not a lot of confirmation either way. AMD looks like it wants some more upside to it. We're breaking out of that 15-minute structure, 15-minute flag. It looks like it wants some more upside. I'm not going to trade any options this morning because I have to leave soon, but I would be looking for a pullback on AMD. Perfect world to be like, well, we're not above pre-market high yet, so pull back to like 243. That'd be sweet. But yeah, AMD looks good for longs. So breakout. See how those contracts are looking. Expensive. $500. I guess they're weekly, so that makes sense. That makes a little more sense given their weeklies. Now we're moving. How many of y'all want me to start calling some banger option trades again? Who remembers options done? You guys need some options trades again? We'll keep hitting NQ bangers. That's not going anywhere, but don't make me cook up. Don't make me make y'all some money off premium. So I'll do it. I'll do it. Trust. Bring back some humble Honda days consistently. Bring back some humble Honda days. There's a lot of people who want options. I remember the 80K day. Oh, yeah. We used to hit it. Well, there was for a while it just the options weren't moving how I like to see, but with all this volatility back, I like it. Yep, Veterans Day, so banks settle funds tomorrow. So funds settle tomorrow. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you haven't already, tap in at that follow button. If you're on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube where you get full screen share. So if you want to see both my charts, all my key levels, go to YouTube and type in Jdun Trades. And if you're on YouTube, well, y'all are the goats. I'm also live in Team Bull. There's no lag in Team Bull. Lots of value in there as well, but I always like to put on these free streams to help you learn, level up, and win. Also, as a reminder, I will not be live tomorrow at all. I'll be live vertically Thursday and Friday, but I'm going to New York and I'm visiting the New York Stock Exchange. I'm super, super excited. So this week, I hardly ever travel. Like I literally hardly ever go on vacation. I haven't gone on one yet this year, but I will be in New York visiting the market makers tomorrow. And then for the rest of the week, I'll be in New York. So you guys have the system though. You have all the education you need to consistently make yourself some bread. All right, let's see. We're getting this aggressive move, but it looks like it's going to be lower volume. Not ideal. Oh. What are you watching for, Grizzly? See anything you like?
Yeah, I'm looking for I'm watching this 15-minute range now. See what volume we get on this candle here on NQ. But it wasn't really on. You're good on the pullback to 25,600 for a short? What do you think about that, Jason?
What do you say, bro?
What do you think about a pullback to 25,600 for a short?
I don't mind it. Maybe like what's the high of this candle? So, yeah, we could do that with stops above like 625. Well,
And I would even be willing to add one like 617. So I may leave it like half size. Push up. Keep my stop the same, of course. But we have point of control right at that 617.
wow. Flush. I just don't want us to flush pre-market low, then go back into this range. We'll see. I'm still willing to watch it. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, give us some sort of pullback. I wanted to see us pull back to that. Grizzly said that 600 area.
I like that 600 there. We pull back. I had that 600. No, I had that 617 if you push up for that. My stop is at 627, 626, right over there. If I take it, I'll let you all know.
Quick 700. Very nice. I appreciate you, Top. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome, welcome. See now, Grizzly, look what type of candle they're going to give us. We're going to flush pre-market low and have a high volume reversal candle. if we go up and touch our level.
Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised. It's been the
Huh.
I wish I could. New York would do it.
What's my win rate? It stays between 70 and 80. It's been really good these last few weeks. But I mix win rate and also just R multiple. I always focus on having consistent, decent sized winners and keep my losers small. I don't flex my wins. My wins aren't what makes me profitable. It's how I manage my losers. I always have my risks defined. I come in and I choose DOD every single day. There's a reason why you see so many more traders of ours getting payouts. We have more and more traders getting payouts because the system we preach works. Which I appreciate y'all. If you are trading futures, I appreciate y'all using our partner firms down below. You can use code Jdun for payout protection and the best possible discount. You know Jdun flossing when he's in the Honda. Yep, I'm on YouTube right now. Jdun trades. You get full screen share. I mean, I guess if we close low down here, it's just a hard candle to short if we wake up.
Yeah, I was hoping we'd see like a nice full body candle.
Yeah, it's a tough candle to short for sure. So we have higher volume on this candle. We swept pre-market low and half is to the upside. I'd watch for a pop up to this area in here still. I'm still open to that, but I'm personally not going to short down here. We might keep dumping, but I'll wait for a lower high. I will wait for a lower high to take any trades. Personally. It's also a bank holiday too, remember that.
Watch this for any trade for
Yeah, I'm open to it. Just hate this. This price action is kind of sketchy.
aggressive candle, huh?
I know.
Just that control.
What's the high here? 626.
I'm gonna try it in short. I'm still gonna keep my stop. I'm gonna go light on YouTube too. If that's a point control again. It's second. I'm watching this Delta. Delta just keep climbing.
I have a really hard time shorting a candle like this. Just nuclear move up. I wanted to see us wick up and then go back down to 600. That's where I would have tried it. And
That's what I wanted to see here. I want to see this break up point control and move it, but we dropped above that previous high. So, is that good valid for short now, or is it still where this candle closes. I may still take the entry. This candle closes on the bottom. We got 2 minutes. I'll let you know if I take it. We got a Fed speaker at 10:25.
It is Veterans Day. It's a bank holiday, so price might be a little funky today too. Just be aware.
We're still gonna have the decimal in here as well, so we have to have a close below it. If it closes above control, we're still not looking for a short entry.
We also have SPY at high of day as well. SPY's kind of leading the race. Could also watch on the flip side, yeah, ES and SPY we could watch for a close up here, then a move back down. I haven't taken ES trade in a bit. It's kind of a long trend-setting candle though. 848 down to 840. That's a little more risk than I'd like to stomach. A little more risk than I'd like to stomach personally. No trades yet for me. 30 minutes in, I have not taken a trade. And I have 30 minutes left to trade with y'all. We got 30 minutes left to trade.
Still watching for an entry here, but if it closes above this point of control, I'm gonna be looking more for long entry.
A year 3, year 4-ish, I started doing pretty well. If we close at pre-market high with anomaly and resistance, play shorts with stop above. It just depends. I like to see confirmation of reversal with wick. Technically speaking, this is a valid reverse orb setup. I'm 250 away. I'm 250 from my first payout on Apex. Been here for 4 weeks. Just had $500 day, and now I'm choosing DOD. Awesome, Delaney, let's go. That's amazing. That's amazing. That makes me so happy. More and more y'all are making money using discipline over dopamine, choosing DOD. This fool barely trades. This fool makes money almost every single day by choosing patience. If you want a trader or a stream that consistently is taking 5, 6, 7, 8 trades a day and they're gambling and making you blow your account so you use their prop firm code, go ahead. You won't find that here. But if you want consistency, if you want discipline, if you want focus, if you want systematic trading, then my stream might be a little more boring to you, but it'll make you money. To me, I'd rather have boring trading and make money and then go enjoy that money on fun stuff. If you guys want to sit here and gamble and go wild and take 100 trades, then I'm not the trader for you. You know? I'm very transparent about that. I'm not here to take 100 million trades and entertain you by taking 100 trades. I mean, we like to have fun, but I think we have a very focused group of traders here that want to make consistent money and you want to change your life with it. Well, that doesn't happen from taking 100 trades a day. It is what it is, you know? 607, 562. Yeah, I don't really have anything I love right here. I mean, I'd say based on this last 5-minute candle, I prefer the longs. We're also getting the ES test on the orb. Let's see, 60, 846, 840. Let's see here. This ES looks decent for longs too. Let's see how we. I'm going to watch this candle pretty closely. Could arguably wait for a close here and try longs on ES with a stop below like 46. I'd prefer to go a little lower and get an entry down here with stops below the trend setting candle. It's just pretty far on ES. Just made $1,000. Thank you, man. I'm done for the day. Have a nice day, people. DOD. Let's go. Still no setup for me. Just watching. 45. Where's the middle line at in this candle? All right, I'll be right back, y'all. I'm using the restroom. Don't have Gene to cover for me today. Mark, strike blue. That's a tough candle to short, too. Full body to the downside. No trades for me yet, guys. Just watching. I will not be chopped up in this 15-minute range. No A+ setups for me quite yet. I just keep flipping back and forth. Well, long is it good? Short's it good? Long is it good? Damn, Grizzly, it looks like the original plan was it. Oh my gosh. That was weird. Got AMD falling, Tesla falling. We got gold falling as well. NVIDIA falling, all techs falling. We don't really have anyone leading the way. All right, we're breaking through this. Let's see if we can get a close, a confirmation close, and then a short on this move back up. If we can get this close on here with volume, test back up into this zone, I'll try it with stops above this level. I'll try to catch the lower high. Hey, dogs, chill. We got 3 more minutes, or 2 minutes and like 10 seconds. Got 2 minutes left on this candle. About to watch the 3-hour course. All y'all should have watched the 3-hour course by now. If you haven't, go watch it. Lots of value in there. So what are these wicks, bro? I appreciate y'all being here on the YouTube. I hope y'all join this live and get value and build your mindset every single day as a trader. You can get the 3-hour course below in the description if you're on the YouTube. Click down in the description. You'll see it's the first link there. It's on this YouTube channel. Make sure you watch it. If you need some homework, you want to better your trading with DOD. You see everyone talking about DOD in the chat. There's a reason it works. 30 minutes till this close. 30 seconds till this close, guys. All right, here's the deal. If I organized like a 12-person meetup in New York, something low key, who's meeting me for dinner? And Brandon and Gene. Who's meeting us? And how am I supposed to short this candle? So messed up. And there's a lot of people. We might need a bigger table. Who's all in New York area? Damn, okay, we're gonna need a bigger table. I knew we would. $586, $605.
Are you gonna trade, Jdun?
Nope, you trying shorts? I hate these wicks, bro. These wicks suck. I'm gonna. Well, hold on. I was about to add a starter position with you.
This will be a short entry on an entry. Trading funded accounts, you don't need any more than 3 to 5 MQ short.
I'm gonna add a starter position 2 of shorts at come on, up to 80. No, come on. I haven't added yet. I had my finger on the trigger and I didn't add. I want to see a pop above 80. Hold on. The worst risk would be above like 606. Try to start our position of shorts. If we go above 607, I will take my L to the chin and be done. Let's pop up. I'm willing to be over 1 and move on, but I am going to try to catch this below this low up here. I like this area 85 to 90. I love this area. Or not love. I like this area. I'd like to see continuation push down. If we go back above 606, I'll be wrong and take my L. I don't like that we're above this pre-market low, though. So we'll see. Let's go. Come on. Push a little lower. I'm going to move my stops now to 98. Below 70. I just have to go in 17 minutes. I'll move my stops to 98. So let's see here. I'd like to see us flush this pre-market low a little more. We got a decent entry up there near 85, but I'd like to see lower. You know what? I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to take a little off here at 65. A little less R multiple than I'd like because I have to leave early and I'm traveling today. And I'm putting my stops at break even now, guys. Put my stops at break even. Let's see if we can let this ride. If I wasn't traveling, I'd let it ride to low a day too, but I did take a little off down here and I moved my stops to break even. Thanks, bro. We're up about 20 points, give or take 15, 20 points, depending on your entry. I'd like to see more. I'd like to see low a day too, but again, I'm traveling, so I'm not. If I can take a little green, I'll take it. My hard stops are in a break even. There we go. Close below. Pre-market low. That's good. Now push it down more. Give us low a day. Come on, baby. I'm out of coffee. Give daddy done low a day. Come on. My Rolls Royce truck. That's all we wanted. All we want is low a day. Can we get 44? Come on. Come on. Push it down. Downward dog. We're going to yoga, NQ. Downward dog. Come on. Downward dog, baby. Up 20 plus points so far. Again, be sure you guys have trimmed if you're trying to trade with me. Come on. Give us a low day. All right, one more little piece off here. Final runner, either going to low of day or getting stopped out, break even. Come on. Come on, baby. We want death. I want death to this market. I want a Trump tweet saying 800% tariffs on every item ever made in the world, and the market dies 500 points. That's what I want. That's what we want. You're all getting tariffed, and the market's dying, and we're getting paid. Yes. W on veterans and nothing crazy, but still, like 30-point trade. That's what I told you I wanted, was a 30-point trade. I wanted a 30-point trade before I had to leave for New York. All right, we need grandma to tell the market to go down. Need grandma.
Hello?
Will you tell the market to go down, please?
What?
Will you tell the market to go down, please?
Okay.
Tell it to go down. Tell the market to go down.
All right. Go down, market.
Yeah.
Get her done.
Yeah, go low a day. Grandma says low a day is coming. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, thank you. That's all I needed. Okay, love you. Bye. All right, come on. Grandma says low a day needs to come. We need it. More. I'm putting my stops at this trade at 80. 80 flat. No other way. Come on. No other way. Hey, Grandma's still like 9 for 9 in her trades. I'm just saying. Come on. Come on. Grandma said low a day, Grizzly. We're getting low a day. Grandma says low a day. We're getting low a day. Right now. Death on this candle. Right here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.5, 0.3, 0.25, 0.15, 0.0012. What do you say? Come on. Die. I'm going to put well, actually, no, I'm not. I was going to put a limit order in for profit, but low a day, baby. We got low a day. Come on. A little more. Come on. 40 points so far. Come on. I want 30. You know what, guys? I'm out down here. I'm out. I got to go to New York in 10 minutes, or not in 10 minutes, but I'm going to head out soon. I'm completely out down here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That is exactly what we wanted, my friends. That is exactly the trade we wanted to see play out. That's DOD. That is DOD right there. Let's go. All right, team. Well, we need a roll call, please. Need a Tuesday roll call. If you're making some money with me, type how much we pay ourselves off that trade. 40 points in NQ. Talk to me, baby. How are we sitting, Team Bull? How much did y'all make on that trade with me? In Grizzly, 783, 465, 352, 146, 250, 175, 33, 218, 380, 700, 2440, 250, 673, 900, 398, 600. Let's go, baby. DOD. 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 That's awesome, guys. Heck yeah. And hopefully the more important part is you guys saw the why. We waited till we had confirmation we could define our risk. When we got it, we executed. That's all you do. You take the setups that you get, you plan out your risk, and you execute. If you do that consistently, over and over again, that's how you become consistently profitable each and every day. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 da, da, dun, da, dun, dun, dun. Because the knock, somebody say my cartel got bothered. I've been trading with you for the past 3 weeks and have my funded and about to get a payout. Let's go. That's awesome. That makes me so happy, bro. Or sis. Let's go, sis. Let's go, sister. I am originally from Nebraska. I am originally from Nebraska. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. Single mom, and you've taught me so much discipline. Thank you. Let's go. As a reminder, if you're new here, I appreciate you hitting that follow button, guys. I trade live every day. I won't be live tomorrow. I'll be at the New York Stock Exchange, but I typically am live every day. So appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. If you guys have any questions or if you want to join Team Bull, you can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades, baby. JDUN Trades on IG. Let's see here. Don't. So if I wasn't leaving, would I make another play? I mean, probably not. Just gonna be dead honest with you. All right. Mr. Grizzly Glock. Yeah, so let's talk about that trade real quick. Then I got to dip out. So we had a lot of misdirection back and forth here. We finally had the close below this 15-minute low with this reversal and this rejection of the 50% retracement. We had this pop back up into the zone. So that's where I tried the shorts on this retest around like 85-ish area. Stops above 606, worst case scenario when we were targeting low of day. So whenever I find a setup where I can define my risk, again, I want you guys thinking in terms of probabilities and risk. That's where you'll consistently see more and more results in your trading. When you think about, hey, where can I take this trade and make money? You're trading with a monetary-based mindset. Your risk is uncapped because you don't have it defined before you take the trade. Versus when you have a risk-first mindset and a probability-based mindset, it all becomes math. I know that sounds boring, but that's, you're trading against the smartest quants in the world. You have to have some sort of a math-based mindset. It doesn't have to be complicated. You didn't even have to ever do college calculus, right? It's not some Pythagorean theorem or y equals mx plus b type shit. It's just probabilities and math, my bro. You give yourself an edge in every trade that you take. You define your risk. You don't blow yourself up. That's where consistent profitability is going to come from. You don't got to know y equals mx plus b to trade with Jdun. I hope you did get a better entry than me, bro. That's awesome. That makes me really happy. Makes me very happy. As a reminder, if you guys get value from these lives, I appreciate you hitting that follow button, hitting subscribe if you're on YouTube. And if you guys are trading with prop firms, with Apex is 70% off. Funded Next is 10% off. Alpha Futures is 10% off. And Tradeify is 30% off. I appreciate y'all using code JDUN. Appreciate y'all supporting. Apex's deal ends today, I believe. If you guys have been looking to trade with Apex, it ends in a day and 13 hours. So they're 70% off and only $40 activation fees. Which means that your all-in cost for a 100K account is $106, which is insane. With potential to get paid out like 2 racks. Tell me that's not crazy. I prefer Tradeivate personally. Grizzly Glock, are you here? You hear Mr. Grizzly Glock? Damn, that retest of that pre-market low is looking like it's going to pay nicely too. Looks like it's going to pay nicely too. If you got them, be sure to post your gains too, everybody. I love seeing y'all post your gains in the post your gains section. Go show off those wins, baby. Good.
What a nice morning, man.
That was great. We killed that, bro.
I know people are making money. All right, man. That's the only trade for me. It is a holiday.
Yep. Are you out of here too?
Yeah, I'm about to leave as well. I don't want to take another trade. Shorts is the only thing I like.
This is the way I live. Young boys still pushing big grills. I stuck my money. I stuck my money lay low and chill. What do you say, Grizzly?
Flip back in your chair or something.
Woo.
Yeah.
I've dropped my balls twice now juggling.
Oh, you're juggling.
I'm juggling, yeah. Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Pre-market retest for my stop, please.
Throw it high, throw it low, to the window, to the wall, to the wall. All right, y'all. I'm heading to New York. Grizzly, great job today. Team Bull. I'll see you guys Thursday.
Safe travels.
Yep, thanks, bro. God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Team Bull strong, baby. Peace. I'll make an announcement if we decide to do a New York meetup. So stay alert in the Discord. Stay alert in the Discord. Peace. All right, guys. If you're looking, I know I wish I could stay longer with y'all. If you're looking to join me live in New York, there's a chance I do a meetup for the Discord. So I'll post that link right now in the YouTube to the Discord. And I'll post the free link to the Discord right now. So if you want to get in, if you're in New York area, I mean, you should be in the free Discord regardless, but join free Discord. Here it is. I'll pin it. There it is. If you have a Discord account, you can join Team Bull right now. I just posted the free Discord link. If you need it and you're not, and you can't click it now, or you're on TikTok, you can DM me on Instagram. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord. That's where I'll be on Free Friday as well. Jdun Trades. You can go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram, Jdun Trades. 307K followers verified. I'll put it on the screen, and then I really do got to dip. JDUN Trades, all one word. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord. You'll also get access to the Zoom link if you're in the Discord too, because I'll be out of town, but the Zoom will still have screen share and such. So if you don't want to leave my full screen share, DM me on IG. Maybe we'll have a free Thursday and Friday too, just to give back, because I love y'all. So, but you got to be in the free Discord to get that. So if you want to join the free Discord, DM me on Instagram right now. It's Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord. God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. I look forward to seeing y'all in the Discord. And if not, seeing y'all on the vertical lives Thursday and Friday. So I'll see you guys later. Peace, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you for being here.